up, gang? Welcome back to the channel. Heading home from work down the crowded 5th Avenue. I am on my way to and shit, I should have looked up the exact address because I don't know exactly where it is, but it's been a while since I've been there. Nye Tapas Bar. You've seen me do reviews for Ruben's other places, Kobo, Emilia. I'm heading back to Nye, gonna take some photos and video of the new items on the menu, old items on the menu that I love, everything. Just gotta get it all. And you know, since I'll be finishing up when it's dark, again, I'll do the ride to, but not the ride home, just to give you the directionality to jump out to JohnnyPrimeSteaks.com for the full review, all the pictures. In order to try everything, I got a couple of people joining us to help eat and take photos. There will be a lot of food, as always. Tight squeezes, a lot of traffic. So I know this place is either 1st or 2nd Avenue and, like, I don't know, somewhere between 8th and 14th. So when we get close, I'll just pull over and look it up, and I'll cut the video. It's been a while since I've taken this. I'll do this 18th Street. I'm pretty sure it's 1st. Maybe it's like 9th, or, I don't know. I'll check. Bobbing and weaving. So this will be the 3rd one of Ruben's restaurants where I'm doing a ride and review. I guess I'll do Amigo at some point also, just to round it out, all 4. As I said earlier, I can't speak highly enough about this guy's food. It's just, he's so well versed in every kind of cooking style. Like, it's obviously Spanish food and tapas, but he puts a twist on everything in such an innovative way that, you know, you're like, oh, this is Italian, this is Japanese, this is, you know, you just feel it. You just feel like his talent coming through every dish. And one of my favorite things here is his mushroom carpaccio with truffle. I mean, it's a meatless dish. It's like vegan, but it's so good. All right, so I am gonna jump over to the side here. Yeah, and then I'll cut the video feed and I'll just take you inside. And like I said before, that'll be it, because it'll be dark by the time I leave here. I don't want that shit video footage up. Hate it. I got to figure out a solution. If you guys know anything for good nighttime, I've tried all the settings possible and I'm just not feeling it. So if you guys know a trick with settings, or if you know a product that works great for night footage, whether it's the Insta360 or whatever else there is, let me know. All right, I'm gonna pull over now. I think it's up here anyway. All right, I'll see you guys on the inside.